Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today we're talking about how to view saved items on AliExpress. So if you save a particular product or item on AliExpress, they want to view it, then this particular video is for you. So let's say I have this product, okay? I have saved the product and I want to view the product, okay? So just on your AliExpress app, tap on the account. So tap on the account icon, tap on the account, realize at the bottom corner, tap on the account. Yeah, and scroll, then you see wish list. So tap on the wish list. Tap on wish list. Yeah, and this is where you find your saved items. Okay, so you can just save your items in here. Then anytime that you find it's convenient to shop, you can just come in here, select your item, and make your purchase. So that's how easy and simple it is. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.